I feel like everyone here has potential to change the world, and they have a lot more than potential, they have the drive to. I always wanted to make a difference in the world. That was always something that I was marked by in high school, and then coming to tech, I feel like, has enabled me to figure out exactly how to do that instead of just talking about what that looks like.
Biomedical engineering, it's like the name implies, biology, medicine mixed with engineering. But the way I like to think about it is we use math and physics to solve health-related problems.
Usually when you think about engineering, you think about machines and computers, and your body is the most complex and interesting machine and computer that there is.
When I was coming out of high school, I was a little confused about what I wanted to do. But I did know that I wanted to go into the hard sciences, biology, chemistry, physics. And I also wanted to have a problem-solving aspect. And one major popped out big time, and that was BME here at Georgia Tech.
The biomedical engineering program here at Georgia Tech is really unique. I would say that this program definitely impacted my life both inside and outside of the research lab. I don't think that I would have been as hands-on or willing to kind of jump into my own project had it not been for the coursework that I had done as a biomedical engineering major here.
Being part of a research university, we're constantly doing new things every day. I'm constantly learning something new and actually seeing the process of discovery in front of me.
They have the resources here that they can actually go and do research instead of just learning in a book or in a classroom. And then we have a relationship with Emory University that's very fortunate in that we have access to 1,300 physicians in all sorts of specialties. So they have great resources at hand, and then you have the faculty that really want to work with the students and help them.
Biomedical engineering gives me a lot of options in that I can choose to either be a practicing engineer, so I can go into industry, I can go into consulting, or I can even go into medicine. There's a lot of flexibility in our program and what you can do once you graduate.
Collaboration is a big deal here at Georgia Tech, and especially in the BME department. At least half of our classes involve team-based work. And these skills are really useful because whether you're going into industry or research or even medical school, these interpersonal skills are very important to be successful. So if you're a student who's interested in learning about the sciences, but you also want to work with other people, Georgia Tech's BME department is the department for you.